Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, allow me to thank you to time given to me. And the second time, let me introduce myself. My name is Rianursetia. I am from University of Trunajaya, Madura. On this occasion, I will present a paper entitled Characterizing the Quality of Bath Salt Enriched with Lemongrass Essential Oil as Fragrant Agent. You need to know salt is chemical that is often used in everyday life. Salt is made by evaporation of seawater that is processed naturally using sunlight. There are two types of salt that are often found. Number one is industrial salt. Industrial salt is a salt that has a natrium chloride content of more than 97%. And then number two, consumption salt then has a natrium chloride of more than 94%. Based on this explanation, it can be interpreted that salt production of salt, there is one product made from raw salt which is very benefit from the body. The name is bath salt. Bath salt is one of the beauty products that have many benefits, one of which is for relaxation and soothing the skin. Bath salts are also one of the spa products used for soaking. They are important components in bath salt, magnesium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, and lemongrass essential oil. The following research product input magnesium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium lauryl sulfate, citric acid, corn flour, olive oil, essential oil, and alcohol. Weighing, next mixing, and output bath salt. On the table 2, water content bath salt. Based on the data in table 2, the ANOVA test was conducted and produced a significant value of 0.129, significant value of more than 0.05 indicated that difference in Epsom and sodium bicarbonate had no noticeable effect on the value of water content. And table 3, pH analysis bath salt. Based on table 3, the pH test results were conducted ANOVA test and product a significant value of 0.024, significant value of less than 0.05 inside that difference in Epsom and sodium bicarbonate concentration have a noticeable effect on pH values. And then table 4, foaming test bath salt. Based on table 4, the ANOVA test conducted and obtained a significant value 0.907. The value of significant indicated that the difference in Epsom concentration and sodium bicarbonate had no real effect on the test value of the foaming test. And table 5, dissolving time test of bath salt. Based on table 5, continue with ANOVA testing obtained with value indicate that difference in Epsom and sodium bicarbonate concentration affect the dissolving time of bath salt. The concentration of sodium bicarbonate will affect the water content of the bath salt. The higher the concentration of sodium bicarbonate, the lower the water content of the bath salt. This suggests that the lower the water content, the faster the granule dissolve in water. Diagram 1, organoleptic test on bath salt. Based on diagram 1, various results are obtained on each treatment. The higher result value in the best treatment of existing treatment. The best treatment in the found in the A3B1 treatment, which is treated using Epsom concentration 40% and sodium bicarbonate 5%. In the table 6, base treatment assessment result of color, flavor, and texture parameter of bath. Based on table 6 showing the result of baking carried out by expert X parameter product Hackers wake of the forward take parameter which is 0.47. This show the color test in the most important parameter. After the texture text parameter is 0.32 and the color test is 0.21, the effective fit score at the best treatment was 200 and 683, indicating the highest value of 18 treatment. This effectiveness value is different from the value treatment minus the fourth value. The divided by the difference between the base and worst values, while the result values of 0.882 obtained from the activates value multiple by weight. And conclusion, the characteristic of the result basalt have a water content of 23% until 34% and pH values between 3 until 5, lead time between 2 until 5 minutes, maximum blood test 10.3. The best treatment in the bath in the treatment of Epsom concentration 40% and sodium bicarbonate 5%. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.